Are you ready to make a positive change in your life? Do you want to feel stronger, fitter, and more confident? Look no further. Welcome and discover the incredible you, 30-day fitness challenge for beginners. I am sure dancing is easier than workout, but hey, what is better than having the best version of your body? In this comprehensive fitness challenge, we will guide you through a transformative journey that will help you achieve amazing results in just 30 days. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to jumpstart your fitness routine, this challenge is the perfect opportunity to enhance your body, mind, and overall well-being. From outside to inside. Step 1. Setting goals and getting started. You have to know where you are going before starting any journey. So the first step towards success is setting clear goals. We'll guide you through the process of defining your fitness goals and help you create a personalized workout plan that suits your needs and abilities. We'll also provide helpful meal prepping tips to ensure you stay on track with your nutrition throughout the challenge. Energizing cardio workouts. It's time to add some energy-boosting cardio workouts to your routine. These exercises are designed to improve your cardiovascular endurance, burn calories, and increase your overall stamina. Get ready to break a sweat and take your fitness to the next level. Sculpting strength training. The next level is always the heavier level, but the point is to challenge ourselves, right? So heavy, hard is surely what we want. It's time to sculpt and tone your muscles. Strength training not only helps in building lean muscle, but it also increases your metabolism and enhances your overall strength. We'll guide you through beginner-friendly strength exercises that target different muscle groups, ensuring a well-rounded workout routine. Flexibility and balance. Are you flexible? If not, welcome to yoga practices. Achieving a fit and healthy body goes beyond just cardio and strength training. It's crucial to work on your flexibility and balance as well. These exercises help improve posture, reduce the risk of injuries, and promote relaxation. Join us as we explore yoga poses and various stretching techniques to enhance your overall flexibility. Take a moment to reflect on your physical, mental, and emotional transformation. Remember, fitness is a journey, and this challenge is just the beginning. Keep pushing yourself to new heights and continue surprising yourself with what you can achieve. Voiceover. So, are you ready to embark on this life-changing 30-day fitness challenge? Join us as we guide you towards discovering the incredible you. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our daily workouts, meal suggestions, and motivational tips. Let's get started on this transformative journey together.